Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, Introduction to Hypnotism Part 2. In this episode, we will be discussing the practical applications of hypnotism. First of all, we'll discuss self-hypnosis, its techniques and benefits. Self-hypnosis is a powerful tool that empowers individuals to harness their inner resources, focus their attention, and cultivate desired changes, behaviors, or outcomes within themselves. By mastering self-hypnosis techniques and embracing its benefits, individuals can enhance self-awareness, self-regulation, self-efficacy, and self-transformation. Here's an exploration of self-hypnosis techniques and benefits. Techniques of self-hypnosis. Establishing a quiet environment. Create a peaceful, quiet, and a comfortable environment free from distractions, interruptions, and disturbances. Choose a serene location, time, and setting where you can relax, focus, and engage in self-hypnosis without external interference. Setting clear intentions and goals. Clarify your intentions, goals, aspirations, challenges, opportunities, or areas of focus for self-hypnosis. Establish clear, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals or objectives that resonate with your desires, motivations, values, and priorities. Progressive relaxation. Guide yourself through a progressive relaxation process by focusing on specific muscle groups, areas of tension, or regions of the body. Tense and release each muscle group sequentially, fostering a deepening sense of relaxation, calmness, comfort, and receptivity throughout your body and mind. Utilizing imagery and visualization. Incorporate imagery, visualization, or guided imagery techniques to create vivid, detailed, and immersive mental images, scenarios, landscapes, experiences, or narratives. Visualize positive, empowering, transformative, or desired outcomes that resonate with your goals, aspirations, values, motivations, or challenges. Techniques employing affirmations and suggestions. Integrate affirmations, positive suggestions, empowering statements, or motivational cues that reinforce your desired changes, behaviors, beliefs, attitudes, perceptions, or outcomes. Repeat affirmations or suggestions in a confident, convincing, and compelling manner, fostering alignment, acceptance, integration, and transformation within your subconscious mind. Establishing self-hypnosis scripts or recordings. Create personalized self-hypnosis scripts, recordings, or guided sessions that resonate with your preferences, needs, experiences, motivations, challenges, opportunities, and therapeutic goals. Customize your scripts or recordings to align with your unique journey towards healing, growth, empowerment, and change. Practicing regularly and consistently. Commit to practicing self-hypnosis regularly and consistently to cultivate proficiency, mastery, confidence, effectiveness, and sustainability. Dedicate time, effort, intentions, focus, and dedication to integrating self-hypnosis into your daily routine, habits, practices, or rituals, fostering growth, empowerment, resilience, and transformation. Benefits of self-hypnosis. Enhancing self-awareness and insight. Deepen your self-awareness, introspection, reflection, understanding, insight, and clarity by exploring your beliefs, values, emotions, thoughts, behaviors, patterns, experiences, challenges, opportunities, strengths, resources, or potential within the hypnotic state. Promoting self-regulation and control. Cultivate self-regulation, self-control, self-discipline, self-management, self-mastery, and self-empowerment by harnessing your inner resources, capabilities, strengths, strategies, and solutions to navigate challenges, achieve goals, overcome obstacles, or create positive changes within yourself. Facilitating relaxation and stress reduction. Foster relaxation, calmness, tranquility, balance, harmony, and well-being by engaging in self-hypnosis techniques that alleviate stress, tension, anxiety, worry, rumination, or overwhelm, promoting physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. Supporting personal growth and development. Accelerate personal growth, development, transformation, evolution, fulfillment, satisfaction, achievement, success, or fulfillment by embracing self-hypnosis as a catalyst, facilitator, enhancer, or amplifier of your journey towards your highest potential aspirations, visions, or possibilities. Empowering change and transformation. Embrace change, transformation, adaptation, innovation, creativity, resilience, flexibility, or openness by leveraging self-hypnosis to reframe beliefs, shift perspectives, expand awareness, challenge limitations, embrace opportunities, or manifest desired outcomes within yourself. Conclusion. Self-hypnosis is a transformative practice that empowers individuals to cultivate self-awareness, self-regulation, self-empowerment, and self-transformation. By mastering self-hypnosis techniques and embracing its benefits, you can enhance relaxation, focus, intention, clarity, insight, growth, resilience, empowerment, and change within yourself. Commit to exploring, practicing, refining, adapting, integrating, and applying self-hypnosis techniques in alignment with your unique journey towards healing, growth, empowerment, fulfillment, and transformation. Embrace self-hypnosis as a powerful ally, resource, tool, or companion that supports, guides, inspires, and empowers you to manifest your highest potential, aspirations, visions, possibilities, or realities within your personal, professional, relational surroundings. Creating personalized scripts. Creating personalized self-hypnosis scripts allows individuals to tailor their hypnotic experiences to specific goals, challenges, or desired outcomes. Crafting a script that resonates with personal language, imagery, and intentions enhances the effectiveness and relevance of the self-hypnosis session. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating personalized self-hypnosis scripts. Clarity, identify the purpose and goal. Clarify intentions. Determine the specific purpose, goal, aspiration, challenge, or area of focus for your self-hypnosis session. Whether you aim to reduce stress, improve confidence, enhance performance, overcome a habit, or achieve personal growth, articulate your intentions clearly and specifically. Establish clear objectives. Define clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound objectives or outcomes that align with your intentions, motivations, values, priorities, needs, experiences, and aspirations. Incorporate personal language and imagery. Use first person language. Craft your self hypnosis script using first person language, that is, I am, I can, I will, to create a personalized and empowering narrative. Speak directly to yourself in a confident, encouraging, and sportive manner that resonates with your authentic voice, beliefs, attitudes, perceptions, and motivations. Integrate personal imagery. Incorporate vivid, detailed, and meaningful imagery, symbols, metaphors, scenarios, landscapes, experiences, or narratives that resonate with your preferences, experiences, memories, aspirations, challenges, opportunities, strengths, resources, or potentials. Visualize positive, empowering, transformative, or desired outcomes within your mind's eye, fostering alignment, acceptance, integration, and manifestation. Structure the script. Begin with relaxation techniques. Start your script with the progressive relaxation techniques, deep breathing exercises, calming visualizations, or grounding exercises that promote relaxation, calmness, comfort, receptivity, and focus. Guide yourself through a systematic process of releasing tension, stress, anxiety, or resistance, fostering a deepening state of relaxation and receptivity. Develop the main content. Develop the main content of your script by focusing on affirmations, positive suggestions, empowering statements, motivational cues, or guiding narratives that align with your intentions, goals, aspirations, challenges, opportunities, beliefs, values, motivations, experiences, and therapeutic needs. Craft a compelling, convincing, and resonant narrative that fosters alignment, acceptance, integration, and transformation within your subconscious mind. Conclude with empowerment and integration. Conclude your script with affirmations, positive suggestions, empowering statements, or guiding narratives that reinforce your desired changes, behaviors, beliefs, attitudes, perceptions, or outcomes. Foster a sense of empowerment, confidence, motivation, determination, resilience, clarity, integration, and readiness to manifest your intentions, goals, aspirations, visions, or possibilities in your daily life. Review, refine, and practice. Review your script. Review your personalized self-hypnosis script to ensure clarity, coherence, relevance, resonance, and effectiveness. Refine language, imagery, pacing, structure, or content as needed to enhance alignment, acceptance, engagement, and transformation within your hypnotic experience. Practice regularly. Dedicate time, effort, intention, focus, and consistency to practicing your self-hypnosis script regularly and consistently. Engage in self-hypnosis sessions that resonates with your goals, aspirations, challenges, opportunities, experiences, preferences, needs, motivations, and therapeutic journey, fostering growth, empowerment, resilience, transformation, and fulfillment. Conclusion. Creating personalized self-hypnosis scripts empowers individuals to tailor their hypnotic experiences to specific goals, challenges, or desired outcomes. By identifying purposes and goals, incorporating personal language and imagery, structuring the script effectively, and reviewing, refining, and practicing consistently, you can craft compelling, resonant, and transformative self hypnosis scripts that enhance relaxation, focus, attention, intention, clarity, insight, growth, empowerment, and change within yourself. Embrace the creative, intuitive, and empowering process of crafting personalized self hypnosis scripts that resonate with your unique journey towards healing, growth, empowerment, fulfillment, and transformation. Commit to exploring, refining, adapting, integrating, and applying self hypnosis scripts as powerful tools, resources, or allies that support, guide, inspire, and empower you to manifest your highest potential, aspirations, visions, possibilities, or realities within your personal, professional, relational, and spiritual life. Thank you very much.